Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you guys another luxury purchases that I recently got from Europe. And it is a Chanel bag. It is the Chanel mini square flat bag in black. It is from the Crush collection. If you guys are interested in this bag, please continue to watch it. I got this from the Chanel Paris flagship store. If you buy anything from the Paris Chanel flagship store, you will get this white box and also a white carrier bag. It looks so beautiful because the usual one is in the color black. So if you get it from the flagship store, it is in white. Let's unbox it together. So on the inside, we have got the usual tissue paper. Ta-da-da! This is what the bag looks like. This is the mini square in lambskin. And then you'll be able to see we have got apparel there. So this is what the bag looks like. Let me show you guys a close-up of this bag. You'll be able to see it is in gold hardware and it is in lambskin, which is a very delicate leather. And on the side, and then on the back, we've got a Mona Lisa pocket there, which is a very classic Chanel. And then this is just the usual Chanel turnout. One thing very interesting about this bag is that inside is in gold, which looks very stunning. And again, we have got a zip pocket there, but I'm sure I wouldn't use it. And the only difference between the classic mini square with this bag is that for this pearl right here, you can adjust it to the length however you want. So for me, I'm 5'7". It sits really nicely. If I got it in the longest setting, it will be like so. If I try to shorten it, essentially I just press this Chanel logo and then I can adjust it to the length that I want. If I would like to adjust it just tiny bit shorter, you'll be able to see I can adjust it like so. But of course, if it's too short, it doesn't look very flattering on me. Because the length you can adjust it, that's why you can shorten it to like a shoulder bag, like so. And some people find it really annoying if you shorten it like a shoulder bag and there will be this dangling bit. However, you can actually put this bit inside the bag and you won't be able to notice it and it will look like so, which is fine. And I know that there is one more way for you guys to wear this bag. You can wear this bag as a bum bag, but I wouldn't use this bag like so. Just to let you guys know, you can adjust it and then make it like a belt bag. Because I still haven't used this bag, so I can't give you guys any proper review yet, but I can tell you guys for this bag, you can't fit much inside. The only thing that can fit inside is my wallet, and that's about it. I also recently got this Chanel small classic wallet. The only thing that can fit inside would be this wallet. Let me show you guys what I meant. So I'm now putting this Chanel wallet inside. And after I put this wallet, you'll be able to see there's no space at all. If you're using a bigger iPhone like me, using the Max version, you won't be able to fit your phone inside, which is a shame. But I really love this square shape. That's why I got this bag. During my entire trip, I walked into so many Chanel stores, but none of them are available in this bag because currently in this season, they're not producing this bag. They're producing the adjustable strap, but they're in the CC logo. I'm gonna pop the pictures right here on the screen so you guys can have a look. In the end, I went into their flagship store and they have this one available and also the rectangular version available because I've already got a Chanel Diana which is very similar to the shape of the rectangular version. That's why I do prefer this version. The square version looks really cute. But with the rectangular version, you can actually fit a lot more inside, I would say. You can definitely be able to fit your iPhone, but with this one, you won't be able to do so. Like I said before, I still haven't used this bag before, so I can't give you guys any review right now, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. If you guys want to get this bag brand new, I do suggest you guys to check out the Paris Flagship store. Even though it is not in the current season, but for some reason they still have some stocks there. So if you guys really want this bag or the rectangular version, I do suggest you guys to check out the Paris Flagship store. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys enjoy watching this kind of video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!